I found 7 new AI business ideas for 2026 that you can start with almost no money. And I'm not talking about the generic start AI automation business type stuff. No, what I'm about to show you are real services that you can sell to real businesses who will happily pay you every single month. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 6 months, we generated over $2.6 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. Over $2.6 million, roughly 350 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. Now, every single one of these ideas is something I'm either doing right now at my agency or something I've tested and validated personally. So let me break them down. Business idea number 1, AI-powered websites. I'm starting with this one because it's one of the easiest ways to make money with AI right now. Inside High Level, there's a feature called AI Studio, and the quality of websites it produces is truly unmatched. Let me tell you what I mean. In a recent video, I found a real landscaping company in Atlanta that had 5-star reviews, great reputation, but no website at all. I went into AI Studio, described the business in one prompt, included their Google Maps listing for context, and AI Studio did the rest. It researched the company, generated custom images of landscaping work, wrote conversion-focused copy specific to their services, and built out a full site with service pages, a contact form, and a mobile responsive layout. And here's what makes AI Studio different from other website builders. It doesn't just drop your info into a template. It actually researches the business, generates imagery that matches the industry, and writes copy that feels like a human copywriter spent hours on it. The output looks like you paid a professional design agency to build it. The pricing model here is simple. You charge $500 to build the website and then $97 a month to host and maintain it. That monthly hosting fee is passive income once the site is live. The hardest part about the business model is actually having a pipeline of enough leads. There are so many businesses that already have a website, and they think the one they have is already good enough. Plus, it's really competitive, and everyone who has discovered these tools will be going after the same few potential leads. That's why I actually push beginners to business idea number 2. AI social media posts. All right, this one is my favorite business idea on this entire list. Every business needs social media, but most of them either don't have time to do it or can't afford a traditional agency that charges $1,500 to $3,000 a month. Here's what changed. Inside High Level, there's a feature called Ask AI. And with one prompt, you can create an entire month of social media content for a business. I'm talking graphics, captions, hashtags, everything. I showed this in a recent video where I created 33 social media posts for an HVAC company in about 10 minutes. The prompt was basically act as an elite social media marketer and create 33 Instagram posts for this business. And I pasted in their website URL so it could pull the brand colors and services. Then I went and made a protein smoothie while it worked. When I came back, it had created 33 posts organized into categories: brand story posts, educational tips, before and after transformations, social proof posts, emergency service posts. A full content mix with graphics and captions that look like a real agency put it together. But the first round of graphics can always be better. So I sent a second prompt telling it to act as an elite graphic designer and enhance the designs. Make the headlines bolder, the layouts cleaner, the colors more on brand. And then a third prompt to schedule everything across the month. 3 prompts, that's it. So here's the business model. You charge $500 a month per client. For that, they get 30 daily social media image posts across 2 platforms: scheduling, publishing, and automations to respond to comments and DMs. You don't offer one-on-one meetings. Everything is handled through email or support tickets. That keeps it scalable. And here's the thing most people miss. You don't need to mention anything about AI creating it. The client doesn't care how the posts are made. They care that their social media looks professional and stays consistent. And consistent social media posts also help businesses rank on search engines, including ChatGPT. That's a huge selling point right now. At $500 a month, you only need 10 clients to hit $5,000 a month in recurring revenue. And each client takes about 30 to 45 minutes a month to manage once you're set up. That includes reviewing the AI output, making any tweaks, scheduling, and handling any revision requests. When you factor in the automations handling comments and DMs for you, there's very little manual work left. And if you want to find clients, you literally just search Google Maps for any service business in your area. Plumbers, dentists, tree removal companies, real estate agents. Look at their social media. If they have under 200 followers or haven't posted in weeks, That's your prospect. Most of them will say yes to $500 a month because they know they need it and they've never had an affordable option. By the way, High Level is the platform I use to run my entire agency and manage all of our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course for free. Business idea number 3, AI business consultation. Now let's talk about something that most people haven't even thought of yet, but can make great money. And this one completely changed how I think about what's possible with AI. I recently sat down with High Level's Ask AI and gave it one simple prompt: review all of my sub-account data and tell me how to generate the maximum revenue in the next 30 days. And what happened blew me away. Ask AI pulled up everything. It scanned our pipelines, all 7 of them with 25 stages. It reviewed over 60 workflows, 5 social media channels, and all of our lead sources. Then it created a full 30-day revenue audit with charts, breakdowns, and confidence ratings. It found hot leads with buying signals that my team had missed, leads who had requested pricing, booked calls, or had proposals pending but never got followed up with. It identified what it called silent money problems. Things like opportunity values set to 0, expired social channels, draft workflows that were never published, unread messages piling up. And then it projected that if we acted on its recommendations, we could add roughly $32,000 in new monthly recurring revenue within 30 days. And here's where it gets really interesting for you. That entire process, the audit, the analysis, the action plan, that's a service you can sell. You go to a business, plug their data into Ask AI, let it analyze everything, and then you present the findings as a consultation. You're not guessing. The AI is doing the heavy analytical work. You're packaging it and delivering the insights. You can charge $1,000 to $2,500 for a one-time audit like this. Or even better, you can charge a monthly retainer to implement the recommendations and keep optimizing. That turns a one-time project into recurring revenue. And the best part is, Ask AI doesn't just find problems, it offers to take action. It can draft replies to those cold leads, build reactivation campaigns, create outreach sequences. It went from analysis to execution all in one conversation without me leaving the platform. That's the kind of value businesses will gladly pay for. Business idea number 4, AI digital products. Now this one is a little different because it's not a monthly service. It's about creating low ticket digital products that generate leads and liquidate your ad spend. And then those leads become customers for your higher ticket services. Here's what I mean. Using AI Studio inside High Level, you can build interactive mini apps, quizzes, calculators, checklists, whatever makes sense for a niche. I built one for accountants called Tax Strategy Pro. It's a simple tax planning tool that asks a few questions and gives personalized recommendations. Took about 10 minutes to build. Now here's the play. You price this at $27 to $97. It's an easy yes for someone who's interested in the topic. They buy the digital product and now you have a paying customer in your ecosystem. That initial sale covers your ad spend. And once they're in, you can offer them your recurring services like social media management or website hosting. But here's what's important. Don't overbuild this. The digital product should be simple, focused, and solve one specific problem. It's not your main offer. It's the door that gets people in. Think of it like the drive-through menu. Quick, affordable, gets them in the door. Then your $500 a month service or your $97 a month hosting becomes the natural next step. And the best part is AI builds this for you. You describe what you want, AI Studio creates the whole thing, and you can have a digital product live and ready to sell in under an hour. Business idea number 5, AI course creation. If you have knowledge in any area, whether it's marketing, fitness, real estate, cooking, whatever, you can now build and sell an online course using AI faster than ever before. Here's the workflow. You use Claude to outline your course, write all the lesson scripts, and structure the curriculum. Then you take those scripts and run them through HeyGen to create professional video lessons using an AI avatar. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need a studio. You don't need fancy editing software. You write it, AI presents it, and it looks polished. And High Level has a built-in membership and course platforms. So you can host your entire course, manage student access, handle payments, and even build a community around it, all inside the same platform. No need for Teachable or Kajabi or any other third-party tool. The pricing model works like this. You can charge a one-time fee for the course, or you can charge a monthly subscription for ongoing access. If you go the subscription route, even at $47 a month, 100 students is $4,700 a month in recurring revenue. And once the course is built, the only ongoing work is community management and the occasional content update. The key here is to build something that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. Don't try to create the world's most comprehensive course. Create something focused that delivers a clear result. Business idea number 6. AI-powered software. All right, this one is where things get really interesting. Right now, there are tools like Lovable that let you vibe code your own full production software using AI. You describe what you want, the AI builds it, and you can have a working app in a matter of hours. It sounds incredible, and it is. But here's my honest take. If you hit an error, and you will hit errors, you need strong technical skills to debug it, or you need to hire a professional developer to come in and fix things, and that can get expensive fast. So for most people, especially beginners, vibe coding your own software from scratch is not where I'd start. Here's what I'd recommend instead. High Level has a white label mode where you can take their entire platform, put your own brand on it, and resell it as your own software company. You get your own logo, your own domain, your own pricing, and the best part is High Level is constantly adding new AI features. So your software keeps getting better without you having to build in anything. But here's the key, and this is what separates the people who make money with this from the people who don't. You have to make the software super unique to a specific type of business or industry. Because if you're just reselling High Level as a generic CRM, there's no reason for someone to buy from you instead of just going to High Level directly. So instead, you build a version that's specific to dentists, or specific to real estate agents, or specific to fitness studios. You set up the automations, the templates, the workflows, the onboarding, everything tailored to that niche. Now, you're not just selling software, you're selling a turnkey solution for that industry. And that's a completely different conversation. You can charge anywhere from $97 to $497 a month, depending on how much you build in. And since High Level handles all the infrastructure, the hosting, the updates, the support backend, your job is just to keep your niche customers happy and keep improving the product. That's a real software business without needing to write a single line of code. Business idea number 7, AI avatar content creation. All right, I saved this one for last because it's the most exciting to me personally, and it's one that I'm actively building into my own business right now. AI avatar content is blowing up. We're talking about creating professional video content using AI-generated presenters, brand mascots, or even clones of yourself. And the quality has gotten to the point where most viewers can't tell the difference. Here's what this looks like in practice. I use HeyGen to create AI avatar videos for content. You record a few minutes of training footage and HeyGen creates a digital clone that can say whatever you script for it. So instead of sitting down to film every single video, you write a script, feed it to your avatar, and it generates a finished video. I'm doing this right now for my own content, and the time savings are insane. But it goes beyond just personal clones. In a recent video, I showed how I took a business mascot and brought it to life using AI. I used OpenArt to generate the character image with Nano Banana Pro, then ran it through Dance 2.0 for video animation. The result was an animated mascot that could star in social media reels and stories for that brand. Businesses love this because it gives them a unique, recognizable character that stands out in feeds without needing to hire actors or a video production team. The service model here is an upsell on top of social media management. Your base package is $500 a month for image posts. But when you add AI video content like mascot animations, talking head clips, or time-lapse videos, you can move that client up to $1,000 to $1,500 a month. That's a significant jump in revenue per client without a significant jump in the work involved. And this is where the market is headed. Video content outperforms static images on every platform. Businesses know this, they just don't know how to create it affordably. That's where you come in. You're offering something that most agencies still can't deliver because they're still doing everything manually, but you have the AI tools to make it fast and profitable. The thing I want you to take away from this video is that 2026 is the easiest year to start making money with AI. The tools are better, the costs are lower, and most businesses still haven't figured this out yet. That gives you a massive head start. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new Go High Level tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.